Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today obviously is a rough day for us in the office, guys, and what we're talking about here. So I'll zoom out of here and let you know what's going on, guys. So as you know, we are massively down on the day, guys. Literally a week ago everyone was really positive. Now I feel like institutions trying to FUD us out of the market. I feel like there's a lot of FUD going on at the minute, and what we've got to realise is this is just exactly what happened in previous times, guys. In my opinion, we are going to go a little bit lower. I hope we don't. I hope we range between the $65,000 region and $70,000 region, but we potentially could go lower. And last week I brought you a video saying that if we did break kind of obviously $69,000 region and the $67,000 region, as you can see on the screen here, then we're going to break lower, much lower. My actual target from the 67, once we break the $67,000 region, is actually $61,000, guys. So this potentially could be on the cards. Not the best news in the world, but what we got to look at is the bigger picture. Don't go selling now, especially if you're selling at a loss. Do not do that. You got to keep your head in the game and look where we're going in the future. As you can see, look, I did say if we trade below all this massive amount of volume, then we probably are going to push down to these kind of levels, 61,000. This potentially could play out, or we could see a bounce back. Obviously, I don't know. I can't read the market. It's going to be one of the two. But like I said last week, if we did break through this, I do see us coming down here quite fast, $61,000. And with the FUD that's being out there in the market at the minute, I wouldn't be surprised. But if we look on the positives of that, right, we're going to get a lot better entries into some of our favorite picks on our altcoins, and that's the way we've got to look at this. Like, guys, in my personal opinion, this is what I think is going to happen. We're pre-halving, we're not even post-halving, so all the upside is after the halving. Notoriously, that's what's happened, and that's what's going to happen this time as well. So don't get footed out of this market, guys, right now. Have conviction in your key plays, and that's what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about some key plays today that we can make some money on, get some decent entries on as the market continues to dump, guys. Just going to quickly go on to crypto bubbles. There's not much point showing you this, to be perfectly honest, because literally everything is in red. I think there's only a couple of meme coins like in like 900, 1,000 or whatever in the chart that are up on the day. Majority of everything else, as you can see, is massively down, and it sucks when you're looking at your portfolio and you're going, shit, I'm down 5k on my portfolio, I'm down 10k or whatever. But in the grand scheme of things, if we fast forward 12 months, 6 to 12 months, potentially 3 months, this is all going to change around, guys, obviously, if everything plays out to what we expect. So don't feel too shit about your coins going down at the minute. Have conviction in your plays and stay the course. You've stayed this long now, there's no point selling, in my personal opinion. Do not sell, because you'll kick yourself if this goes the right way, which I believe it will, and eventually after the halving, guys. So I'm just going to bring you on to Twitter now. Sorry about my internet connection at the moment. It's playing up. It's either my internet or my laptop is playing up, so apologies for the slow speed. But I just wanted to show you some key tweets, what I think is key points, really. So one thing that I wanted to point out now, institutions are trying to buy cheaper, guys. So if you sell your Bitcoin now, sell your cryptocurrency, they're just going to buy it up at a lower price. So don't do that. Whatever you do, do not do that, guys. As you can see, follow Cousin Crypto. He's a really, really good guy. What's he saying? So the dump from US government, Silk Road FUD again. This is a part of the cycle where they throw everything every bit of FUD that they can at us, basically. It ends the same each time. Bears and US government with leaky assholes. Bitcoin just closed its highest weekly and monthly candle, triple top. Fuck out of here. So basically, looking at the whole picture, we did close a candle on its highest weekly and monthly candle, guys, which is crazy. So that's the positive, and that was only a few days ago, right? Now what we're getting is a lot of FUD. US government have transferred a massive amount of money, I think it was 2 billion, over to Coinbase, guys. So this FUD is really going to affect especially normies, right, who are going to potentially sell because of this FUD, and especially if they actually start selling this Silk Road money, guys, selling it through Coinbase, right? But if you actually think about this logically, if they do sell all of it, it will take probably a week to reaccumulate that through the ETFs, right? So it's not that big amount. It's obviously a big amount of money, but it's not big enough to cause massive problems. The problem is this market sentiment of US government selling Bitcoin is going to be the key driver of a downward push. And if they do that, then that's probably a bit of an issue because of market sentiment. It will change all the way from greed down to fear, in my opinion, if that starts happening. But nothing's confirmed yet. They could be what? They could be staking that Bitcoin, you know? Who knows? We'll find out in a few days' time what's going on. But in my opinion, it is FUD to push us lower. So institutions can buy lower, guys, and wreck you. That's what this is the game. It's us against them, it's me against you, etc., etc. If they can buy at a lower price and make you sell, then you know they've won, haven't they? So hold on to your bags, guys, see where it goes. Hold your bags now. We haven't hit the halving yet, so don't get too stressed about this, okay? Even though it's horrible to look at your portfolio, just don't look at it for like a few days or a week or whatever. Soon, right, crypto rover, soon altcoins will explode again. Here's another Watcher Guru. US government transfers 30,000 Bitcoin worth 2.1 billion seized from the Silk Road to Coinbase. So obviously illegal activities, they seized it from Silk Road. Everyone knows Silk Road, on the dark web. So guys, let's forget about that now. We're gonna have to just put that to the back of our heads. This is FUD again. We've had it last bull cycle. We're having it this bull cycle. Rec Capital. Bitcoin has failed its post-breakout retest. Bitcoin could still technically recover with the all-time high of $69,000 before the new weekly candle closes. In the meantime, however, BTC would first need to hold this 65,600 weekly range low to protect the range. Okay, guys, some more interesting articles there from Rec Capital. Carl Chase, brilliant guy. Really like his picks. Definitely follow him, watch his YouTube, because he just gives you some really good picks that you can get on early. Looks like most of your DJs didn't get the memo. It's buy red, sell green, not the other way around, guys. Key liquidation zones to expect volatility. Now, the key liquidation zones I'd be looking at here, obviously, 68, 72. I do believe we will rush up to 72 at some point, again, in the next coming weeks. But in my opinion, I think we're staying a little bit lower for a little bit more time to push people out of the market. That's what institutions want to do, guys. They want to buy lower. Okay. So anyway, that's a little bit of market sentiment before we move on to the main part of the video. Look at this as an opportunity to buy in lower, right? Key narratives that haven't pushed yet, right? What are the key narratives that haven't pushed? We've seen a run in AI, guys. We've seen a run in real world assets. If you've taken profits, great on those, but still we've got a long way to go in my personal opinion. What hasn't pumped yet? Gaming hasn't seen a massive pump. We've seen some smaller pumps in some well-known coins such as Miria, Shilling by Alex Becker. But what I'd be looking to buy, here are a few picks, guys, that I'd be looking to buy. And we're going to see a further pullback, so I wouldn't be buying these just yet. I'd wait for a couple of days, just see whether if the market recovers or not. Obviously, there's a risk then you're going to buy higher, but right now, some brilliant discounts in the market. The key ones I'll be looking at now, AWT, Abyss World, guys. This could 100x. This is a 100x play, definitely a 100x play. It's a $5 million market cap, guys. How low is that? You know how low that is, guys. You've seen enough crypto videos to know how low that market cap is. So not even a $5 million market cap, guys, which is super, super low. Right, so let's double click on the website and see what this game is all about, guys. Abyss World. It's an open world dark fantasy RPG on the Sui network, guys. Built by Metagame HQ. It's a Docs team. Really good team. It reminds me like Darks. You guys probably have played this before, but Dark Souls reminds me massively like that. A little bit like Skyrim as well. It's open world, dark fantasy. In my opinion, it's a really, really good game. I'm going to make a separate video on this altogether because I do believe it's a brilliant project. But for now, this is one I would look into, guys, for you. It's a Docs team. They've got funding from Epic Games. I think they got a 100k grant from Epic Games. It's a game that I personally play myself. Like some of these games in crypto I just wouldn't play, but this I 100% would play. It's my kind of game, Dark Souls kind of game, slash like sort of like Skyrim almost. It's on a decent network, Sui network as well, which is popping off. Could see this doing, I genuinely could see this doing 100x in the bull cycle. We'll have a quick look at the website, but I don't want to spend too long going into detail. This is more of a shorter video, guys, just to show you some projects that are on sale at the minute, and they could even go smaller than this, guys, which is crazy. Look, it's a wicked website. You can see what the narrative is. It's definitely something that I would like to play. Obviously, it's Web3, so you'll be able to get rewards for playing this particular game and create your characters, etc., etc. Super cool game. I'm going to do a full video on this over the next coming days because I believe it's such a small market cap that could really pop off. Not many people are talking about this at the moment. This could easily 100x, guys, and I'm not going to say that's not a possibility because it genuinely is a possibility. This is genuinely a possibility. So look out for this. Have a look at it. I'm going to do a separate video over the next few days. The next pick I'd really look at is Lit Lab Games, guys. I've been on about this for ages, and today, of all days, is down 12%, guys. We did have a push up over 7 days. I think we had a push up slightly, yeah, 7% over 7 days, but on the day we're down 12%. We're only at $6 million market, well, $6.5 million market cap. Super small game. This is on the BNB smart chain. It is going, this is another pick which could 100x. Gaming hasn't run yet. We've seen AI, we've seen real world assets run. Gaming hasn't run yet. If you put a little bit of money into this, potentially this could 100x as well. These are 200x players that haven't really done anything. Obviously, we're talking about Cyber Titans with Lit Game Labs. I've done a whole separate video of me actually playing the game. I wasn't very good at it. It's not my type of game, but a lot of people will play this type of game. And they've already brought out Cyber Titans and it's being played in esports, guys. As far as I'm aware, that's what it's called, isn't it? Esports. Just quickly look at the website. I don't want to take too long on this. Website is really good. It's backed by really good people. It's got a really good team. The team are excellent. Cyber Titans is the one I've played. They are planning on bringing out another game. Come and have read the white paper. You can download it free. It's available on Elixir, which is what I played it on. It's backed by Seedify as well. This particular project is going to be massive in my opinion. It's going to be really good. You can come over to this page here, Cyber Titans, play for free. You can either download it or play it on Epic Games or Elixir. So people are already earning money from playing this. There's a massive, I can't remember the name of the team, but there's a massive esports team that are backing this particular project, guys. Really well run team as well. We're going to move on to the next pick now because I don't want to spend too much time on this particular project. But OPSEC, it is a project I recently bought into, and I'm really wanted to start diversifying my portfolio a little bit more into a few more AI picks with a higher market cap. Yes, we're at $262 million market cap, so is it a great time to really buy into this project? Probably not, but in my personal opinion, I bought this probably a week ago. It's actually up on the day nearly 10%, which for a project like this, considering what Bitcoin is doing, I mean, it's one of the only projects that is up on the day. So we're nearly up 10% on the day, which is crazy considering what Bitcoin is doing. So we obviously know what we're looking for when Bitcoin does drop like this. If we see a project that really does pump this much when Bitcoin is down, we know when Bitcoin starts to return back to its all-time highs, how much this is going to pump. It's pumped massively already, but come and check this project out. It's one of my safer picks, guys, and I would have a few safer picks in your portfolio. Even though we are chasing our 100x's, guys, we need to have a few better, like more safer picks. Obviously, this is on Ethereum. We haven't seen any decent exchanges come out really. We're on BingX, CoinX, but no real proper exchanges like a Mexi. I mean, like a Coinbase listing, a Binance system. Once they come, this is going to absolutely fly. I could see this in the $1 billion range, easy, guys. It's an AI/deep in play, guys, and it's one of the high market cap ones. Come and have a look at this particular play. Especially if we see a pullback, one to look at, come and check it out. I'm not going to spend too much time on this video because I want this to be a really short video. Website won't load for some reason, but anyway, we'll move on quickly. And obviously, Casper is the biggest discount, in my opinion, you're going to get. 12 cents, guys. I've been buying this at 10 cents. I've been buying this at 8 cents. I've been buying this at 15 cents, right? 12 cents, absolute steal, guys. 12 cents, honestly, you're probably not going to get better than this. If it returns to 10 cents, I'm going to go in really heavy onto this because I believe it is going to be one of the last times we'll see Casper at 10 cents. I hope it does return to 10 cents. And this is the way you've got to think on these particular plays, guys, is that if we get into these at a lower rate, we're going to make more money, right? Don't get footed out. Don't sell anything now. Stick to your guns. Start to come and have a look at these charts. Have a look. Not necessarily these picks, but have a look at your plays. See what levels you're happy with buying at. If you're seeing something down 10% on a day, potentially a good time to buy, guys. If it's only dropped, a couple of percent, yeah, just check it out. 7 days, let's have a look at Casper. This is what I'm saying, 7% over 7 days. On the month, I know we're down massively. 24%, which is absolutely huge amount on the day. Well, sorry, on the month. This could still, in my opinion, probably 50x from these positions. Obviously, we've got decent exchanges, but 50x is my bullish pick on this particular project, guys. So Casper, really good project. I like Casper. I'm not going to explain what it is because I've already explained multiple times what it is, guys. In the next cycle, I believe this could actually level with Ethereum. I feel Solana is going to overtake Ethereum eventually. I do feel like Casper has the opportunity to go up there with the likes of Solana and Ethereum, guys, and then obviously be on par with Bitcoin. So come and have a look at this. But yeah, this is what I'm doing currently. Sitting tight for another couple of days. Probably not going to buy anything for another couple of days, and then after that, see what happens. See where the market goes. But yeah, do not sell your bags now. This is all FUD. It happened in the last cycle. Hold on to it, and we'll get that together. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me, and I will see you on the next video.